we are going to practice using these vocabulary words in a sentence. I will give an example sentence, and I want you to try to think of one on your own at home. The first word is learn. I learn how to compare numbers. That's something you did learn in school. Subjects. My favorite subject is STEM. What's your favorite subject? The next word is common. It is common to find a book in a library. Right? That's common. You'd see books in a library all the time. The next word is object. An object I would find in the kitchen is a spoon. What object would you find in the kitchen? I bet you know a lot. And the last word is recognize. I can recognize my dog by its fur color. What can you recognize on your pet maybe you have at home? Or how do you recognize your parents? What helps you know that it's them? Okay? We are now going to move into some phoneme blending. And I'm going to model the first one for you. So I'm going to put a marker in each box as I say each sound. Then I will blend the sounds to form a word. S, a, d. This word has 3 sounds. S, a, d. Listen as I blend those sounds to form a word. Sad. Sad. The word is sad. We are going to do some together now. I will place a marker for each sound we hear. I will say one sound at a time, then we will blend the sounds to form a word. At, at. The word is at. S, at. The word is sat. Sat. Here's our next one. At. Mat. The word is mat. Now these next ones, you need to try on your own. I will still say the sound and move the marker, but then you sound the word out, blend it on your own, and I will check in with you with the answer in a few seconds. A, an. The word is an. A, map. The word is map. A, fan. The word is fan. 2 more. A, nap. The word is nap. Last one. A, man. The word is man. Great job practicing with me. We are now going to review what that A says. A says a. So P says p. A says a. N says n. An. Pan. Our next one is this word. C says k. A says a. P says K, app, cap. The word is cap. Last one. B says B, A says A, T says T. Let's blend that together. Bat, bat. The word is bat. Now we're going to go through each of these words, and you need to practice at home with me. So we're going to start up at the top, sound out the word, and then we'll say the word. So we're going to blend it together and then repeat it. K, a, n, can, at, at, nat, at, sat, sam, am, pam, as, has, ran, dad, mad, ham, at, hat, ats, pats, apps, tats, bats, bats, bags, fans, wags, abs, jabs, ams, jams, naps, tags, sags, packs. Remember that CK says K, packs. Am, man, map, axe, van, cab. Now we're going to come down here and look at these sentences. So I see a lot of short A words here, and then a or a. So let's sound it out. Jan packs a bag. Okay, we're going to go through that again because we need to sound the way we talk. Jan packs a bag. One more time with me. Jan packs a bag. Good job. Now let's try this sentence. These are two sight words, is, not. Let's go ahead and sound out the other words. Max is not sad. Let's do it again so we sound fluent. Max is not sad. One more time. Max is not sad. Let's take a look here. We are going to be sorting our spelling words. So take a look. We have the categories of AN, we have AP, and we have AT. Then we also have this box over here, which is a category that the words just don't fit in any of them. So let's go ahead and we're going to look at these words and decide if they fit in any of the categories. Let's start with this word here. So this word is tap. Well, I noticed that one has the AP in it, right? So that word would belong up here. Tap. Let's take a look at the next one. Can. Well, can has that an pattern. So can would fit right up here. Can. Let's look at this word. Cat. Well, cat has the at pattern. At. So let's go ahead and we're going to put that under at. Now this word is nap. So what does nap fall under? Does it have AN, AP, or AT? Nap has an AP in it. So I'm going to drag that up here. And notice it has the AP. Let's look at our next word. Man. So does man have AN, AP, or AT in it? Man has an AN. So let's move that up here under the AN category. I'm going to highlight it. Let's sound out this word. Hat. Well, where does hat belong? AN, AP, or AT? The AT. We'll highlight AT there. Okay, now we have two sight words here. Does. Well, does does have an AN? Does that have AP? AT? So it doesn't fit any of those categories, so it goes in our oddball category. Okay, let's check out on not. Does it have AN? AP? AT? Oh no, it has OT. So again, that would fall in the category of it does not belong. Look, we've sorted all of our words now. Let's review these sight words. Does, not, school, what? Okay, one more time. Does, not, school, what? Okay, no, I'm just going to point and you need to say it at home. Does, not, school, what? We are going to be reading these sentences. So this is going to help us build our fluency. We're always working on building our fluency. So we're going to start with the one that the purple dot has by it. So does a cat play at school? That didn't sound fluent yet, so I'm going to do it again. Does a cat play at school? One more time. Does a cat play at school? And you'll notice my voice kind of goes up a little bit when I ask a question. Let's go to the next one. I see this word we already know. Actually, we know all of these words because we sounded this word out up here, and then the rest of these are sight words. Let's do this. A cat does not go to school. Again, a cat does not go to school. One more time. A cat does not go to school. Okay, last one. Again, we know all of these words because either they're a sight word for us or it's the word we already sounded out, cat. So here we go. What does a cat do? One more time. What does a cat do? What does a cat do, Charlie? What does a cat do? They stay at home and snuggle and purr. Have a great day, first graders.